Hello everyone and welcome to I Jump Instead. My name is Stephanie. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute Friday flexibility routine on a rebounder. This class is perfect for the evenings. We're gonna wind down, we're gonna relax, we're gonna increase our flexibility, and we're gonna get the body soothed, circulated, and ready for bed. You can do this class any time of day, but I hope you are returning to this class because this is the perfect nighttime routine. I have a pillow and a towel close by because we lay down on the rebounder and invert our legs for maximum relaxation toward the end of class. Let's get this 10 minutes started with health bounce. Let's go ahead and straighten the spine with our chin level, feet in a comfortable stance that feels stable. If we want to take our hands off the bar, we could because we have that nice stable width in our stance. Let's go ahead and begin very gently bouncing, hands on the bar, eyes relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Feel the pumping action in your body. Just health bounce alone is increasing flexibility. Feel that. Feel every bounce. Mouth closed. Let's go ahead and bring our chin forward and down and stay right here. Lift your chest, push your chin against your chest, and feel the extension in the back of the head. Now let's rotate the head slowly to one side, ear to shoulder. Relax both shoulders. Feel that stretch in the side of the neck. And I want you to extend the opposite arm in order to maximize that stretch from your head all the way through to your palm. And feel every down bounce pumping into that stretch. You're reaching through the arm. You feel that stretch in your neck. Let's go ahead and rotate the wrists 2 circles in each direction. Let's open the palm as wide as we can. Let's wiggle the fingers slowly but surely, including the thumb. Now let's twist the arm through that shoulder joint very slowly but surely as we're still reaching through. And extend a little bit more for 3, 2, 1. Hand on the bar. Let's rotate the head forward, chin against the chest, head goes to the other side. Feel that nice deep stretch in the neck and let's reach the other arm. Relax the shoulders, reach that arm. Let's go ahead and rotate the wrist 2 circles in each direction. Let's open the hand as wide as we can. Wiggle the fingers. Twist through the full arm all the way up to the shoulder. And let's extend and reach for 3, 2, 1. Hand on the bar. Let's bring the head forward, chin to chest. Push the chin against the chest. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go ahead and do some Tai Chi twists. So taking one hand off the bar, let's face the chest to the side of the room and get into nice deep twisting and alternate into the other side, keeping one hand on the bar at all times. I want you to reach that arm back as far as you can. And most importantly, in that deep twist, feel the down bounce. Connect with that increased motion while you're in your deepest flexibility, and this progresses our flexibility. Teeth are still closed because we're breathing through the nose. Feel the symmetry in this stretch. Let's do one more twist in each side. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and do some cat-cow. So we're going to bring the shoulders and hips forward Extend through the chin as well. And then bring the shoulders and hips back and tuck the chin in. And I want you to rotate into each position, keeping the hands on the bar, and feel the symmetry. Get yourself into the furthest stretch you can and feel the bouncing, and then shift it into the opposite stretch. Feel the bounce, progressing your flexibility. Connect, being as present as possible. One more stretch in each position. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and stand upright, chin stays level, and let's bring one heel forward at a time for a little bit of a heel tap forward, and this is stretching into the hips. So I want you to twist your hips and feel that flexibility. Feel the down bounce, feel the accordion stretch into the thighs, into the hips. And see if you can twist your hips a little bit more as we go. Feeling the symmetry in your hip mobility. Let's go just a little bit deeper, sinking into the stretch on both sides. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go ahead and step over to the side of the rebounder, and let's bring the bounce to a stop. Take your chest lift, chin level, and let's lengthen the leg. Reaching through the hip, the knee, the shin, the calf, the ankle, and the toes, and reach that leg. And I want you to stretch, reach. 2 ankle rotations in each direction, slowly and precisely. Now open those toes wide for 3, 2, 1, and see if you can do some leg twisting into the hip, full leg twisting. And now shake the leg, release, let the hip, knee, and ankle go for 3, 2, and 1. Let's go right back to the center and gently health bounce. Keeping the breath very relaxed, very gentle through the nose. Let's go over to the other side now. Chest is up, chin is level, and bringing the bounce down to a stop. Lengthen through the leg, reach, extend, try to touch the ground, feel the hip pull, feel the knee, the shin, ankle. 2 ankle rotations slowly in each direction. Now spread the toes as wide as you can. And now let's go ahead and shake that leg out. Release the hip, the knee, and the ankle. 3, 2, and 1. And let's go back to health bounce. Next, we're gonna lay down on our rebounder. We're gonna put the towel across. This is optional, you don't need a towel, but we do recommend a pillow. The pillow is optional as well. Let's go ahead and lay down. And take it slowly, no need to rush. Make sure though that your legs are facing toward one side of your handlebar. So you can balance your legs against the bar very comfortably. So let's go ahead and square the back off right on the center of the mat. Head is comfortable right on top of the pillow. And let's bring the legs and the arms up, and let's do a little gentle shake. So you're going to release the elbows and the wrists, the knees and the ankles. Just gentle movements here. Teeth are closed, eyes relaxed. 3, 2, 1. I want you to reach up and I want you to spread your toes apart, 1 foot at a time. Just go into the toe flexibility and open between the toes. And switch feet when you're ready. And last but not least, some very gentle tapping into the calves and into the backs of the knees. And lastly, we will balance the legs against the bar. Relax your arms, your shoulders, your eyes. Slow your breath down even more. And for 20 seconds, let's be as quiet as possible with our breath and in our mind. Three, 2, and 1. If you'd like to stay in this position and continue with leg inversion, please feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can bring your feet down. I encourage you to sit up slowly when you're ready. Just be patient and take your time. And that is it for today's class. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute routine. I hope to see you again very soon. Please leave us a like on this routine if you enjoyed it. And if you wouldn't mind going into the comments section and sending me a fire emoji. This beautiful fire here is keeping me warm, and I hope you're nice and warm as well and ready for the rest of your evening or night. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.